Hello friends, welcome back. First, let's create our project. But before we create our project, let's look at the tools which are required for this course. First, we have to install Node.js. You can do this by visiting nodejs.org. As you can see here, there are two versions of Node.js. One of them is LTS, which stands for long-term support. Basically, the LTS version is the stable version of Node.js, and I will recommend that you download this version of Node.js. The other version is current version, and this contains all the latest features, but we won't be needing any of the latest features. So I would recommend that you download this LTS version. Along with that comes npm. npm is the Node package manager, and we will need that tool in order to install create react app. In order to download, you need to go to downloads, and if you are a Windows user you need to click here, and if you are a Mac user you need to click here. So here is the LTS version and here is the current version. So you need to select this tab and then you need to click any of this. And the second tool we need is the code editor. I am using Visual Studio Code, so you can download Visual Studio Code from this website code.visualstudio.com. And if you are a Mac user you need to click on this, and if you are Windows user you just need to click on this arrow, and here you can find the installation, and it is free to use. And the third tool we need is create react app. It's an npm package which we can bootstrap our react application without zero configuration. So let's install our first project. I have already installed Visual Studio Code and I have already installed Node.js as well. So let's go to Visual Studio Code. So this is the terminal. Let's say if your terminal is not open, then you need to click on Control and backtick key so you can see this terminal. Now I need to create the project on the desktop, so I'll go to desktop by writing cd desktop, and here I'll create my project by typing npx create react app, and I'll name this app as React Hooks. You can give any name you want. Now it will take some time to create this project, so we need to wait a while. So it will install all the packages of React, React DOM, React scripts. So now our project has been created. Now we need to go inside our project folder. So for that we need to write cd react hyphen hooks, the name which we give for this project. Now we need to write npm. So before I write npm start, first we need to go to the folder. So let's open the folder which is at the desktop. So React Hooks, I'll just open this. Now we need to open the terminal by pressing Ctrl and backtick key. Now we can type npm start. So we have successfully created our project, but now we need to, I'll remove some files which are not required. Okay, so in source folder I don't require app.cs, so we will remove this file. So let's delete it. App.test we don't require, so let's delete this file as well. Then we don't require index.js, so I'll delete this. I don't require logo.svg, so let's remove that. Now we need to go to app.js and we need to remove the files which we have deleted. So here I'll remove the import, and in index.js we have removed css, index.css. Let's save this, and we have removed the logo as well. So in app.js let's remove everything, and let's return a simple div with hello React. Let's save this, and now let's check in the browser. Now as you can see, we have printed hello React. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video where we will talk about use state. So I'll see you in the next video.